So we are nearing the 180-degree international date line right now, hitting the storm right now.
And welcome to the Captain's Chronicles as we take you to an exciting journey from Japan to Mexico, crossing the Pacific Ocean, and our final destination is Manzanillo. Our current ship position is 44 north and 170 degree east, and we're going eastwards and we'll be passing over the Hawaiian Islands. We also witnessed some choppy seas and stormy weather today, as you all can see. So come and join us, and we'll navigate through some rough weather of the Pacific Ocean. So here we are on the navigation bridge, and as you can see, the ship has started to experience rolling, which is around 10 to 15 degrees at this point of time, as you can see with the horizon. And this is quite normal while transiting the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. So we just have to be more careful. You have to secure everything in the engine room, in the bridge, and especially your cabins as well, because everything is going to fall off if you don't do that, and it happens without notice. So finally, after facing all the rough weather and the storms, we have reached our destination, and we are in Manzanillo port of Mexico. And it's always good to be back on land because we also get the opportunity to go out on shore leave and explore the city, meet new people, and have some fun. And that's our exact plan for today. And on the left side of the ship, you can also see an iconic statue which is called the Pez Vela Monumento, which is a sailfish statue of blue color, which we can see from the harbor, and which is very cool. And it's time to go to the beach now. So we have reached Playa La Boquita, which is a beach in Manzanillo, and it's time to have some fun and relax with my friends. So thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to the Captain's Chronicles for more sailor experiences and sailor stories. And enjoy the beach. Have a good one. Goodbye for now.